Hello everyone. In today's haul or happy mail, I have two little kits that Aloha sent me. Aloha from Aloha Creations, and she sent these kits from her new shop that she opened just now in October, and I will link everything down below. But her shop calls a little corner shop, and it is beautiful. Her vintage stuff are amazing, and her journals that she sell there, everything is just amazing. Does sell lots of small kits and big kits like these. She was very kind to send me a random kit, and I'm sure I will use lots of them in my journal. I'm not sure I'm gonna use the vintage stuff because I really don't have much, but I will scan them and use them. So I already opened the letter, and this beautiful envelope was with a sticker which I already put in my sticker box, sorry. But this envelope is just beautiful. I've never seen anything like this. And she also sent inside the letter this beautiful angel image and this little flower. So beautiful. And of course the letter. Thank you Aloha for the letter, and I'm just so excited to dig in. I waited for 2 days just so I will be able to film this, and I can't wait to dig in. So first let's start with I will start with the travel one, and then I will go to the vintage one. Oh wow, this one is beautiful as well. This little thread, yarn, whatever it is, it's beautiful. Wow. I love her love for details. It is so amazing. And you know that you will get something precious there, and small little gifts. How do I open this? Oh. Okay. Let's just everything out. Oh wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh wow. Niagara Falls. This one is beautiful. Canada. How precious is this? I've always wanted to visit the Niagara Falls. Aww, Polaroid. I've never owned one. Beautiful. Wow, just beautiful. Aww, little postcard. This little pocket daytimer work organizer. Oh wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I love planners. Oh wow. Oh wow, Aloha. What a beautiful treasure. Oh my god. I just said to my friend that I want to buy an envelope for a broad meal like these. Oh wow. Oh. Oh my gosh. There are tickets here. Oh my god. Coupons. I really don't understand what this is. Keep this coupon ticket. Oh wow. Wow. Wow, Aloha. You pack. These kits are just gorgeous. I've seen her kit. She did a video of her kits, but it's still, when you see it face to face in real life, it's just amazing. Another postcard, and this one is from Niagara Falls, Washington. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And Montreal. Also gorgeous. And this is British Columbia, Vernon. Beautiful. Oh, the little booklets. Iceland and Greenland. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh, beautiful. With the little stickers as well. She said it's like a sticker collecting book, and it has the stickers inside of it. Wow. Somebody truly loved collecting these stickers. I always loved collecting stickers, booklets, and I don't have much, but I do have some old stickers. Wow, these ones are beautiful. Oh wow. What a treasure. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. How beautiful is this? Oh wow. Look at this family. Oh, oh wow. Oh my gosh. This is just beautiful. Beautiful image. And this one is Greenland. Wow. Just wow. Wow. Just wow. Okay, here we have Algonquin Park. And we have these little cards. Old Mill Restaurant, Texas. Greenland, Texas. Note cards. Beautiful. And this one is for Shambles, York, England. Also note card. Beautiful. And oops, we have a little tab here. And envelope. Beautiful envelope. Oh, and it fills with stamps. Oh yeah, she wrote here, stamps. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Oh wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. There are so many stamps. Oh my god. Beautiful envelope. Oh wow. says on the back 1960. Wow. I don't know if it's related to the stamp, but wow. Wow. Okay, let's put this gently. And we have playing cards with lots of British Columbia, Vernon. Beautiful. And it's like playing cards. How cool is that? And this is from Parisia. Beautiful. How beautiful is that? And this. And it doesn't say here, it says just la, but I don't know if it's place or, but beautiful nonetheless. And oh, there are magazines here and a map. I love maps. Southern Colombia, just beautiful. Just beautiful. So the travel kit is amazing. You should really give it a go for her kids, and if she ran out, she has lots and lots and lots of stuff in her shop, and I don't know how often she will refresh her shop or what's left, but you can just DM her and ask her, but she has an amazing stuff in her shop. I already put my eye on a few things there. This is a sampler of the vintage kit, and she added some coupons. Just so cute. With some pictures. Oh my gosh, old pictures. Magazines or something like that. Yeah, these form from magazines. Just beautiful. I really need to buy more boxes for all this stuff. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh wow. And we have a music sheet. Firefly. Oh my gosh. Study in style. Oh wow. The old tar. And on wings of song. Beautiful. Wow. Okay. The Ship Still Sails by John M. Levens. How beautiful is this? Colored illustration. Oh wow, the flood. It's a Bible thing, I think. Paradise of Children. The story of Queen Charizard, 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 Aladdin, and the wonderful lamp. Oh wow, wow, I love Aladdin. Beautiful. And the pages are so delicate. This is maybe in French because I don't understand anything, but it looks like a dictionary. Oh, wow. This one is from a magazine of some sorts. I can't see any date, but it is beautiful and very, very delicate. This looks like more dictionary. Provincial taxes. Okay. Beautiful. Oh, ledger paper. Houses expenses. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful kits. Just gorgeous kits. And Aloha, you are amazing for putting all of these kits together. They are so unique, so special, and I am truly, truly blessed that you sent me these. Don't forget to check out the links, check out her shop, her Instagram shop. I'll link everything down below. She has children books, old vintage children books, many different kits and many different styles. She sells journals and small things that you can just buy as a gift, cards, and she has an amazing shop. And she just opened, so she has lots and lots more to sell. Don't forget to check her down below, A Little Corner Shop and Aloha Creations. I will link everything down below. And I will also link her channel so you watch all these kits and how she opens them, and you will see everything that is in these kits. So you can decide on your own what you want. And I feel just blessed with all of these because these are gorgeous, just gorgeous kits. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, Aloha, for sending me these. I can't wait to use them, and I'm not gonna use them all. I will scan some of these because some of these are just too precious to use. But thank you so much for sending me these. And please guys, don't forget to check out the links, see her beautiful shop. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.